What's up, guys? The Razzler here, and look what I got today. Today in the mail, I got this fantastic pair of Brooks running shoes. They're the Ghost 12s, and I ordered them on Amazon for I think $105 or something like that. Anyways, so I just wanted to do an unboxing to show you what these fantastic shoes look like. So let's do that. So, opening it up, we see that it comes with two shoes, which is good. So I guess I'll get those out. Anyways, this is what the shoe looks like. Looks very new and fancy. And the tread looks like that. Looks like it's pretty good quality. Should last a long time. Anyways, these shoes are really good for running, which is why I bought them, obviously, because running is fun. And I got the 12.5 size because I guess that's how big my foot is. I also got the wide kind because it's better for my feet with the foot bone spurs that I have. So anyways, that's why I need the slightly wider one to accommodate that. But anyways, these look very, very cool, and I'm excited to try them. I might do that in this video or in a different one, I don't know yet. But anyways, that's it for now. Bye.